National income is the value of all goods and services produced in an economy. There are three ways to measure national income. The first one is called the product method. This is when we calculate the monetary value of all goods and services produced throughout the year. It's made up of consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. The second method is called the income method, and this is when we sum up all of the income generated from the four factors of production. The factor reward for land is rent, for labour it's wages, for capital it's interest, and enterprise it's profit. It's important to remember that any income generated within the hidden or shadow market is excluded. This includes illegal trades of goods and services and income which is undeclared to HMRC for tax purposes. The third method is called the expenditure method, which adds up total national expenditure. To reach this figure, we would use consumer expenditure, government expenditure, and any trade surplus we would add on to national expenditure. A trade deficit we would deduct, and any indirect taxes we would also deduct from national expenditure. There are a number of problems with measuring national income. The cost to the environment in producing goods and services is not taken into account when measuring national income. And because of this, some economists argue that national income is overestimated. It also doesn't take into account the shadow economy, which makes up nearly 10% of UK GDP. It also excludes non-market household production, so any work done around the house involving household chores or DIY are excluded. So nations which have a high proportion of non-market household production may have their national income significantly undervalued. There is also the risk of double counting if both the final and intermediate good are added to national income, as the final good already includes the cost of the intermediate good. To overcome this problem, we use the value addition method, which calculates the value added at each stage of the production process.